Instagram's new quiet mode helps you take a break from the app. Oh, isn't that interesting, Will, when these social media apps tell us to take a break?
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting? It's like, you're like, that's like the sports gambling sites that tell you to take it easy. Have you seen it? The new commercials they put on TV, they're like, gamble responsibly. Like, we've built in tools so you turn the gambling off from time to time. It's always interesting when the company, the product they're trying to sell you, they're trying to also sell you at the same time off of the product that they're trying to sell you. They're like, hey, take it easy a little bit, though, because you're getting carried away with it.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a bad thing if they're trying to be more transparent.
Well,
because there obviously is a problem there.
Well,
that's why they created this feature.
They've got the data, so they know, presumably, how people are interacting, when people put the app down. If they can probably predict when a certain set of behaviors is indicative of like depression or something. They might have some metric for that. And so when we've talked about this in the past with YouTube, pretty much all social media or screen time in general, there is a moment at which it starts to have a negative impact on someone's life, and then they put it down for a long time. Or they stop responding to advertising, or they become a poor customer for your platform. And so instead of letting it get to that point, you're sitting there as the platform saying, maybe if people took short breaks, their mental health would stay a little bit more in check, and long term, it would be better for our platform. I mean, that's a possibility. You always have to imagine that there's some kind of incentive structure, because that's just how companies work. Is it also possible that they just are doing a nice, fun thing? Maybe. But when I saw those commercials pop up at a 1-to-1 ratio from the gambling sites, and I know this is obviously a different comparison, I immediately think to myself, well, you're getting out ahead of potential lawsuits as well, because you're saying we warned people about the risks. And Instagram can now say, we've provided a mode here for people suffering anxiety. And you can see it's right there. The feature aims to reduce users' anxiety about taking time off from the app by silencing incoming notifications, auto-replying to DMs. Auto-replying? What is this, email? I'll be back in the Instagram office January. By silencing incoming notifications, auto-replying to DMs, and setting your status in quiet mode to inform friends that you're not active on the app at present, the company said it will prompt teen users to enable the feature if they're using the app late at night. Get the prompt. Whoa, man. What do they know that we don't know? How dark is it actually getting? Yeah. Now, the parents themselves can't have the impact because the device is so persistent and the device is so pervasive that the parent could be like, hey, go to bed. But actually, it's Instagram that tells your child when to go to bed, not you.
It's like it's on quiet mode, Mom.
Yeah.
It's automatic.
Yeah, Mom, don't get out of my room. Instagram will tell me when bedtime is.
AI.
You understand? God. Instagram knows if I'm anxious or not you.
Yeah.
Oof. Anyway, look, man, it's a tough one because it's like you really wish there was some other way, but then you also realize that maybe somebody will listen to it and put the app down, and then you're grateful that at least that person has taken a break, whoever actually uses the prompt. So I guess it's better that it's there than it's not, but you really wish people had the ability to do it without that.
Yeah.
Put it down and just like actual like life quiet mode, Will.
Yeah.
Like I'm just gonna be unreachable, and that's fine. You know
I
what
wish
I mean?
there was like a physical way of just like automated. That's like your phone disappears or something.
The whole device.
It just shuts down.
That's it.
Yeah.
You're on peaceful mode. Completely. Well, you can just ignore it. Like it's possible you can just ignore it. You probably have like a handful of people that may or may not need access to you, and then you can pretty much ignore everything else. I mean, it's possible you can do it. People think that's crazy, right? People think, what do you mean I can ignore a notification? You can ignore a notification.
Yeah.
I'm putting it out there right now. You can do it for your own health. Absolutely.
Let's do it.